Today's video is going to be just a quick placeholder. I need to get something out. I'm trying to stay on that Wednesday, Saturday release schedule. And the weather's been terrible. I've got some projects I need to do, and they are weather dependent. We've got Canela back, and we got some things we need to do. Let's talk about it.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no chains, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live, where I live.
Well, Canela's back from the shop. Front end bushing job's completely done. New shocks. I've got some more work I got to do to her. You can see the shock cord for the top canvas has gotten loose again. I'm going to replace that. I don't know if you can see that well, but the exhaust for the heater got mangled because some semi's chunk of rubber. But I got some rust repair I need to do right up in here. And if we come around here, you can see water was starting to get under where the rain blade was. I'm going to clean this up. We're going to hit it with some paint. It doesn't have to match, just has to be close. And then we're going to get it with the rain blade reinstalled. I'm going to use a bead of silicone to keep that from ever happening again. It is currently hot and sinfully muggy, and the likelihood of rain today is over 90%. I can't take the chance, so we're going to leave this project until the weather straightens up a little bit. That's going to be Monday. So right now, this video is just a placeholder. So that is kind of it. We're going to do the shock cord replacement on the penthouse roof, that pop top on the Sportsmobile, and I'm going to do that rust repair along the over the window and reinstall the rain blade. Now, I'm not going to have weather sufficient, dry enough until Monday or Tuesday, so I won't have a lot of that done before the next video. I think the next video is going to be just the shock cord replacement, and then maybe the one after that can be the rust repair and rain blade reinstallation. And I'll show you what I'm thinking on the rain blade reinstallation. So in the meantime, I'm going to link the products that I'm going to use one at a time as best I can. Okay, there's some products I'm getting that I don't have an affiliate program with, and I'll still give you the links for them if they're still available. My oscillating multi-tool, not still available. And I don't know, it's the Harbor Freight one. It's the Chicago Electric, I think was the brand name. They changed the branding, although the device looks 99.99% the same. So I'm going to link it, but I'm not going to guarantee it's the same thing. So I'll link I will always try to link the products that I use in my comments. That way you've got good access to it. So, okay. Well, I thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, this was just kind of a talk through, but we'll have a show, and I'll actually show you what I'm doing in the next video. So Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please be sure that you click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share my video with your friends and family. Please be sure you go back and check out the older videos in the archive. There's some great stuff in there that I'm sure you'll enjoy. And if you'd like to support my work, please be sure to visit us at wildersportoutdoors.com and buy some merch. There's some great stuff there, and it'll go a long ways to help us out. All right, that's it. That's the video for today. Stick with us, and you'll catch the next one. And like I always tell you, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you know